Good morning, children. This is Sri Lalita. Welcome back to our science class. In this class, let us learn about lesson 2, plants around us. We have learned about different parts of a plant in class 2. Let us recall what we have already learned. Here there is a plant. Now let us once recollect the various parts of the plant and the functions of the main parts of the plant. First one is root. Root is present underground. It fixes the plant in the soil. And next one is stem. It carries all the parts of the shoot. And the third one is leaf. Leaf is green in color because of the presence of a substance called chlorophyll, and it helps the plant to prepare the food. So leaf makes food for the plant. And the next part is flower. This flower grows into a fruit, and the fruit, it stores seeds in them, and these seeds in turn give rise to new plant. These are the different parts of the plant and the functions. Next, these plants are classified into different categories. Now let us learn about the classification of plants. The first one is trees. Here is a picture of trees, and these trees are very big plants, and their stem is strong and woody. It is called trunk, and we see many branches of a tree coming out of the trunk, and these branches possess leaves, flowers, fruits, and these branches of the tree will be more in number, and these trees give shade to humans and animals. The roots of the tree are very deep, and they will absorb water from the deeper parts of the soil, and these trees live for several years, sometimes even hundreds of years. So we should not cut the trees. It takes so much time to grow a big tree. We are not supposed to cut the trees, and we are getting so many uses from the trees. And once again, if you observe the features of trees, big plants are called trees. The stem is strong and woody. Many branches are coming out from the trunk. They give shade to humans and animals. The roots of the tree are very deep. They absorb water from the deeper part of the soil. And also, trees live for several years, and they are very useful to the humans and animals. And we find banyan, peepal, mango, coconut trees around us. Not only these four, so many trees we are finding around us. All the trees are very useful to us, and we are not supposed to cut the trees. Coming to the assignment on this part 1 which you have learned, first one is fill up the blanks. The first one is dash carries all the parts of the shoot in a plant, and the strong woody part of a stem is called dash. The plants that give shade to humans and animals are called dash. Coming to the answer the following questions. The first one is write the role of roots of a tree and write 3 features of trees. If you observe the video carefully, and you can answer the questions. What is the role of roots of a tree? How the roots are helpful for a tree, and what are the important features of trees? What can we observe in the trees? So complete this assignment, children. Thank you.